Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to uninstall League of Legends. So let's start. First of all, if you happen to have the game running, go ahead and close it out. Next, you may need to close out of the Riot Client first, so click the show hidden icon in the Windows taskbar. It resembles an arrow pointing up. After that, right click the Riot Client icon. It resembles a red circle with a fist in the middle. Next, make sure to click exit. Now for the next step, make sure to click on the Windows start button in the taskbar. After that, make sure to click on the settings gear icon. It's in the app menu. On Windows 10, it's in the sidebar to the left. Next, click on apps. It's in the menu bar to the left. And after that, make sure to click on installed apps or apps and features if you have Windows 10. Alternatively, you type remove programs into the Windows search bar to display this page in the start menu. Next, make sure to click on League of Legends. This will display a drop-down menu, and then you need to select uninstall. It's at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This displays a confirmation pop-up, which you need to click on uninstall in the pop-up, which will uninstall League of Legends. After that, click done. You will see a notification when League of Legends is finished uninstalling. So click done to close the pop-up, and that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.